Hi, good morning, our brother and sister from New Skin, Taiwan. Yeah, today I'm very happy and I'm very honored to be invited to share in front of all Blue Diamond in Taiwan. And and I hope today my little sharing can help every one of you. Yeah, before I start, probably I have to introduce myself first. My name is Hendra. I come from Indonesia and I stay and work and convert myself to become Singaporean citizen. Yeah, before joining New Skin, I was working in one of the largest IT company, yeah, in Singapore. I've been settling down in Singapore and I thought I will not go back to Indonesia at all. But one day I start to realize after working for many years in Singapore, I start to realize the higher I earn money, the higher my salary is, the more responsibility I have to have. There are a lot of regional position. I have a lot of responsibility. I need to handle a lot of operation in factories, in branches across Southeast Asia and Asia Pacific. So until one point of time, I start to realize, is this the thing that I really wanted or not? Yes, a good salary, a very high pay, a lot of facilities given by the company, incentive given by the company is really make me very comfortable. But things change the moment I start to have baby. Yeah, before I have baby, if our boss asks us to go to overseas, we will accept the challenge. We will accept the responsibilities. But the moment we have babies, every time there is an assignment to go overseas, right? Inside our heart, we don't want to leave our family too long. Yes, but we cannot just go back home without finishing our job, right? Yes, but every time we work, we travel overseas. Our heart always left at home. So that is happening. What is happening? And I pray to God. I pray to God. So I wanted to have a change. Yes. In the past, many graduate from IT engineering are dreaming to work in my company. Yes, but I start to realize that a dream job cannot give me a dream life. Then I strengthened my heart to pray for change. Yeah, until one day I saw my church friend slim down, and they slim very well one. And I asked them, what do they use? Yeah, what program that they use? Then, in short, that is how I met New Skin. I see the product is very good. Then I saw the opportunity. Then I said to them one, this product so good, if this product so good, sure have opportunity one. So I help my so-called upline to realize the opportunity so good, right? Because I was in the business in the IT industry for so long already, so I have sensitivity on the business opportunity. Yes, and because of that, I see the opportunity. I go back to Indonesia and I see in Jakarta in particular, I see there is no leaders are doing TR90 in Indonesia at the time. Yes, and I come to the New Skin office in Jakarta at the time, and I ask them whether is there anybody selling TR90 or not. You know what do they say? They said, I think it's not so popular. This product not so selling one. Then I said, okay, why is it so not selling? In Singapore, TR90 are so popular. I said, then they said, probably because Jakarta food are better. Yeah, Singapore food so lousy one, no taste. That's why maybe in Jakarta not selling. And second one, they said um, the product TR90 in Indonesia very expensive. It's the most expensive product at the time, and with that kind of income that we have, we cannot afford TR90. It's too expensive for us. Probably in Singapore people can afford, but Indonesian people they cannot afford one. You know, so this is the second thing. Then the last thing I ask is to them is how many set of TR90 selling in Indonesia at the time. At that time, around 2012, at the time, they said probably 2 months, only 3 sets. Yeah, 2 months, only 3 sets. My goodness. Then if normal people attending, looking for opportunity, attending on office, hearing that kind of statement, that kind of answer, what do you feel? What do you feel? Inside my heart, when I listen those answer, I pray to God. Thanks God. Thanks God. Why? Because when many people don't understand, I understand first. Because I see the vision in Singapore. In Singapore, TR90 was selling a lot of volume. In Indonesia, they don't have volume for TR90. So inside my heart, I was very excited. And then I go back to Singapore, I meet my upline again, and I said to them wah, Indonesia is a green opportunity. It's very green, Nobody are doing TR90. That's why I want to have this market. So that's why I come into Indonesia, and because of that, I tell to my wife. My wife never take product, never attend any meeting, never meet my upline, never come to Jakarta when I share about the same story, like the same I share to you right now, what is, can you guess what is my wife's response? Huh? Oh, Hendra, very good. You are my husband. I will support you. Is it like that? No, of course no. Yes, yeah. My wife give me a cold water on my head Yeah, you don't dream. Yeah, he slept. Hendra, you have to wake up. You have good reputation already in your industry. You have title in your industry already. Making money is not difficult. You have high salary. Why you have to go back to zero again? Yeah. So then I said the opportunity is so huge. Then my wife asked how much TR90 selling in Indonesia? No one selling. Then how you dare to go to Indonesia to try something very risky? You see, this is the difference. Yeah, this is the difference between an entrepreneur mindset and an employee mindset I feel very blessed. I was trained by a lot of mentor who trained me to think as an entrepreneur. And because of that, I said to my wife, give me some time. Yeah, give me some time. I know you are worried. I know this is risky, but I believe if I do this together with my working upline, together with my team, with my sponsor, with my uplines, and with Nu Skin Indonesia, I believe we can make it. Give me some time. Then my wife said, okay lah, you do, don't touch me one. So that's how my journey in Indonesia was started. Yeah, 2000 and really 2013. Every week I come to Indonesia, from Singapore to Jakarta, Jakarta to Singapore, Singapore to Jakarta. All my customer in Jakarta one. And when we did that for I think almost 18 months, and really God really opened our way. We have a lot of customer. I think I myself alone, I do sales, I do meeting, I do training. There is no upline in Jakarta. Yeah, there is no meeting in Jakarta. Okay, there is no upline, there is no meeting, there is no sideline in Jakarta. So practically I'm alone. Yeah, and at the time I have no experience. I only listen to my upline recording, and I do the business in Indonesia, right? And then after around 18 months, my group grow until 30 BRs, and I have few rubies there. I have few rubies, but I'm not happy because the income that I'm having compared to the income that I'm having in Singapore is very much different. Yeah, maybe only 20-30% only, right? So inside my heart, yeah, I start to feel not right, something very wrong. Yeah. Then I said to myself, what is it? I don't know how. I don't know how, but I really want to be successful. Yeah. After a few months running in Indonesia for sometimes, yeah, my wife also at the end supported me because he see I'm very sincere. I really wanted to change my family life. If it's just because of money, very easy to go back for me to go back to my IT industry. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. The offer is always the door is always open for me. But I always ask myself, if I return to my platform, my old platform, will I get the life that I have? I might have the job, but I don't have the life. So that's why my wife can sense my sincerity. So this let me give you some pictures. This is me and my wife. Yeah, we are coming from Singapore. Yeah, with my little children, and then this is a time where I work so hard in Nu Skin. Yeah, 2013, 2014, it was very challenging. I almost quit at the time because I don't feel any growth one. I do have a little result every meeting that my upline asked me to come. I come to Singapore again, attend meeting, get training, right? Every big meeting like convention I attended, right? All the trips I qualified for the trips, but I'm not happy because my result in Singapore when I'm working is much bigger compared to what I have now. I mean, in Nu Skin. So you look at myself lifetime. Yeah, 2013. That's myself and my wife look. Yeah, if you are being recruited by this kind of person, yeah, do you have confidence to put your life on them? Yeah, when I look into myself, I feel very very messy one. Yeah, but that was me. Yeah, 2013 we worked very hard. Yeah, we made some little achievement Nu Skin, but people who believe in us, they don't grow on. Yeah, 2014 we work even harder. Yeah, and made some achievement Nu Skin, but people who stay with us left us one after another. Yeah, until we were very very tired already. Yeah, 2014 we about to quit from Nu Skin. We said we almost want to pack our things and return to in Singapore again for good. Yeah, in Singapore we do have house already. We have education and social system very good. Life is very comfortable in Singapore. Why we have to work so hard like I don't see any hope. We don't see any hope at the time. Until one time my upline um, asked me to go to Hong Kong for Greater China Convention. Yeah, this is the convention that I attended that really changed my life. One. Yeah, when my upline asked me to go, in the beginning I refused to go. One, because I said, what else? Yeah, any more secret meh? Yeah, this kind of question I was challenging my upline. Uh, I questioned him. Why I have to go to Hong Kong? Yeah, is there anything else that I haven't seen yet? Is there anything else that I like? At the time, my heart was closed. I don't believe because whatever meeting that I supposed to go, yeah, and I supposed to listen. I listened already. Whatever recording that my upline asked me to listen, I listened already. Whatever things that my upline asked me to do, I do already. But I don't grow on. That's why I was very upset. I was very frustrated already at the time. But my upline, I feel grateful because my upline really insisted on me. Yeah, he don't give up on me, and he persisted and brought me to Hong Kong. At the time I really don't have any more money. I don't have any more cash flow. It was very difficult for me to go to Hong Kong, and we both myself and my wife go to Hong Kong together. I said to my upline, this is the last one. Okay, I said to him, this is the last one. If I don't make it as well, if I don't get confidence, this is probably the last one. Then he know already what I mean. you know and true enough, in Hong Kong, yeah, I was really blessed. Yeah, thank you for our brother and sister success story from Taiwan, from Hong Kong and China. Yeah, from Greater China. it's really the one of the most important moment in my Nu Skin career. Yeah, is going to Hong Kong convention. Yeah, 2014. Yeah, I went in June 2014. I went there and I saw so many COE was being recognized there. And I'm telling to myself, yeah, my skin have a goosebump, my skin have goosebump looking the recognition in Hong Kong, because how can they do this? Yeah, within 2 years, leaders from Greater China can create more than 100 COEs. Yeah, it really blow my mind. Yeah, how can these people, yeah, achieve the result that I wanted? I also work very hard. Yeah, I also study very hard. But I realize working hard and study hard doesn't give me the result. The answer is not within working hard and study hard. The answer is because I have not made decision to be successful in Nu Skin. Okay, underline my word just now. Yeah, I have not made decision to be successful in Nu Skin. Okay, maybe I pause a little while here. Andra, what do you mean? You haven't made decision yet. Have you been full time in Nu Skin? Yes, I've been full time already. Yeah. Probably your wife also still part time. No, two of us full time already. Even I bring my kids study in Singapore, go back to Indonesia, study in Jakarta. You don't call that a decision? Yeah. What else? What kind of decision that I have to make? Right. So I thought, dear friends, dear brother and sister, yes, I thought last time I already make decision to be successful in Nu Skin. But after I went to Hong Kong convention, I start to understand that I have not made decision to be successful in Nu Skin. What is the difference? The difference is because my decision is conditional. Yeah, a person who already make decision, they don't look back. They just move forward. They put love in anything that they do. Yeah, people who have not made decision, they always compare compare here and there, and every time there is challenge, they will question their decision. They will question their future, right? So I thought I already made decision, but my decision have contamination. It's called contaminated by fear. So my Nu Skin career have problem is not because Nu Skin are difficult. It's because my heart was tainted, was contaminated by a lot of fear. How I overcome this matter is because I saw people in Greater China, so many one. The problem is no longer with Nu Skin. The problem, I believe, the problem is with me. The problem is me. So in Hong Kong, myself and my wife, we look eye to eye each other. I grab her hand. I say sorry to her one. Yeah. I said sorry to her one. I really want to make her happy one. And I promise to her one, when I marry her, I promise to her I will make her happy. When I sitting in front in the Hong Kong convention, I look my wife eye to eye, and I ask her, let's go back to Indonesia and we do this one more time. This time we sure get better. I know now where is my problem. So that was my story. Yeah, I go back to Indonesia, and after a few months, I think 7 months after I go back to Indonesia, I've been recognized as a new Blue Diamond. Yeah, Blue Diamond in Nu Skin Indonesia. And after, I think 8 months from there, I qualified, become team lead. Yeah, you can see my wife was pregnant for my third child. Yes, and my group growing. double digit month, year after year we grow. Yeah, it's not because we learn something new. Yeah, it's because I change inside my heart. Yeah, I stopped blaming my upline. Hey, upline, where are you? Last time when I face many challenges, I always question, where is my upline? Why you leave me alone? Why you don't help me? Why there is no system? You know, I always question my decision, my lack of ability, you know. But after I go back from Hong Kong, I just work all out. 2017 is the time where I first time break my 100 BRs. Yeah, 100 BRs, and my life never get better since then. Right, year after year after year after year, even through pandemic, our group grow. It's not because in the pandemic we don't have any problem. We do have a lot of problem. Yeah, I also don't know about social media. During lockdown, I my group also cannot go anywhere. But I saw there are small group down there in my group, little young people in my group. They are doing social media. They are doing very well. So I grab them. I add value to them, and with my experience, I try to find something that we can duplicate. And since then, the group grow. Yes, the group grow. We duplicate this method, and through social media, we sell TR90 social media. Yes, we don't know how to sell other things in social media. We only know how to sell TR90. Yeah, 1,000 point. And every single case we only use one, Instagram. We only sell TR90 only, and we don't know how to sell skincares, for example. I don't know. Everything we sell is from TR90, and our group grow from it. This is just a little photo. In I think this is 2020. Yeah, myself and my wife were in the Forbes magazine in Indonesia, and then 2020 itself. Yeah, we 2011, this is for 2020, 2021, sorry, 2021, I was being recognized as entrepreneur of the year by Direct Selling Association. Yes, and 2000, this one is same year as well. We also, myself also being featured in Forbes Asia when there. So the point is, dear friends, the reason why I'm sharing this to you is not because I'm trying to show how good I am. The point that I'm sharing, the reason why I'm sharing to you guys is because our success, it can be duplicated. If you forget whatever I say, check our heart. Check our heart. Have we really believe? Have we really make decision that we want to be successful in new skill? If you do, go back to your upline and show them how sincere you are. You know, you tell to your upline, this time I'm ready. This time I'm ready. Yeah, when the student are ready, the teacher appear. Okay, when the student are ready, the teacher appear. Yeah, the moment I want to restart my Nu Skin journey, I go back to my working upline, and then I tell to them sincerely, let's do everything all over again. Yeah, it's not the product that can make us successful. It's not the promotion that make us successful. It's the leadership. How to learn leadership? Work together with your working upline. Then the rest will compound. The rest will follow. During pandemic, yes, the pandemic was disturbing our business. Yeah, our system doesn't work. Our meeting, we cannot conduct meeting. We cannot meet people face to face. So what happened was there is one little group beyond my 6th level are doing Nu Skin from social media, and they do a lot of closings all via social media, and they never meet their customers. So what happened was I went there and I seek more information with them. I win their friendship and gain their trust, right? And I put my leadership there. I created a module for training that everyone can use, and I duplicate this training module to everyone. when we do this training, right, a lot of my leaders also do not believe that social media can help them. But after 3 months training, right, over and over and over again, things start to grow up, right? The results start to come, and more, we have more experience, and we keep on providing a lot of success stories after success story after success stories. And from the past 2 years, every month we always create a lot of rubies, brand directors, senior brand directors and executive brand directors. From this online, we do online, and we explain about the business online and everything we do online, and we only sell one product, which is TR90. If you ask me how to sell other product, I might not have experience, right? In the beginning, my leader also do not believe that social media can close 1,000 point product. But we just continue to install a belief in our leader mindset that we do have what our audience needs, right? So we do not care whether this is MLM or network marketing. We just continue providing values. Yes, we continue providing values, testimonials that our people wanted to see, wanted to have. And when our people see what we have what they need, right? They contacted us, and we explain, we do presentation via online, and yes, and the success story is there, right? Since this happened, we have a lot of rubies or leaders from outside Jakarta. Now we are present in many cities, big cities in Indonesia, and this was never happened before. In the beginning, everyone was scared, but I think there is few points that I would like to share to every leader in Nu Skin Taiwan. The first one, as a leader, we have to be very careful about what we believe. We cannot accept the situation around us influence the leader, because we are the most important person in our group. If the leader have problem, they need to find a solution. We are the hope of our people. We need to find a way. We have to find a way. We have to be very careful about what we believe. And we are so grateful Nu Skin help us during this pandemic. We are not only survive, but we also grow, and we are so confident our future is going to be brighter. Next year, many people are so doubtful about the economy, but this is a good thing. It's a good thing that happens to support our business. When the economy was not good, right? Many people are looking for opportunities, and again, we have what our audience need to have. So when our audience see that we are offering the value that they need, right, they will join us again. The second point is this: if last time when I was little, I used to watch a Chinese kung fu movie, especially during wartime. When the soldier are afraid, the general will go to the enemy battlefield and get the head of the enemy general and bring back to their army, and the moral of the army goes up. The same thing during pandemic, a lot of leaders were scared, or a lot of leaders are scared. But we as a leader, we have to show them that it can be done. It can be done. We go to the field and create result and bring glory to our family, and it will boost the moral of our people. I think this is a really close to me, and I really learn from everyone, and I hope my little sharing can help every one of you. Thank you. My name is Hendra. Bye-bye.